That was Bullu biker. Even he is going for a ride, I guess. Quickly we'll do a refueling here at Shell. I'll tell you guys where I'm going in some time. Let me refuel. 500 normal. Okay guys, refueling done. So 3 bikes are going, we are going for a short spin, kind of off-road. It's called Mutturaya Swami Temple. Thanks to Bullu biker again. So when he got his bike, he had been there, and there was off-road, and it was a decent off-road according to his video. So we thought we'll go and check it out. So 3 bikes are going, 3 are ADVs. So one more guy is joining at Silkboard, Shri, on his orange ADV, and we'll have Arvind also. He'll join us near Kanakpura exit from Nice Road. That's the plan. Now I have to be near, what, it's 7:20 already. I had to be there by 7:15 near Silkboard, so Shri would come. Anyways, it takes only 10 minutes from here. Early morning rides are always a bliss. Take my word. We are already running late, so one more guy will be waiting for us near Kanakpura exit. Nice man, nice sunrise, nice road, nice partners. Here we go. Let him also come. On ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ. We'll see how the roads are to the top. Momentum is what you need to have. Nice view from here. Enough. Okay buddy, okay, we are done almost. That was pretty easy. I think there was no loose gravel. What happened? Huh? Hey, it's good. ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
I felt like my tire was flat.
No, no, no. Come on, come on. Oh, there it was a bit scary, man. I almost tripped. If you know how to control, you can do this. I'm not telling it's very easy and all. It is slightly tough. Okay. ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ನನಗೂ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಬನ್ನಿ. ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಹಾಂ, ರೈಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಂ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್. ಹಾಂ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್. ವೆಯ್ಟ್ 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 ಅರವಿಂದ್. Take it here.
Yeah, but it's moving all over the place.
That's okay, take. I am holding it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Yeah, that's it. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ವೀಲು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಕಮ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇನ್ನು. ಹಾಂ, ನಾವು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು. ಎಮ್ ಟಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಹಿಂಗೋಗಿ, ಲೀವ್ ಲೀವ್ ಲೀವ್. Yeah, that's it. Good job. This is Arvind. You can see the bikes there. 2 white and 1 orange. This is Sri. There were two stretches, right? Two stretches.
We had complete 2 stretches. Both were almost vertical.
Almost vertical. It was a good steep. It's not like easy and all. It was a good steep. Chalte. You're like going down. It was pretty steep actually. 2 of my friends are following. They are also coming. One thing is, you should have proper control here. One good thing is, front tire is ABS on always. Oh, okay. I'll put the bike there and help him. Come slow. That's it. Come here. This is easy. Can get it. ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Front always ABS will be on, so it doesn't slip. Back, let it slip. You have the control. You want to stop, use your back brake. Let it glide around, no issues. Front won't go. ABS will be always on, only back will cut off. This is easy. Idu climb and then turn is there, no? So this is tough.
gravel.